Hello dear subscribers, they will tell you how to fix problem you see. This really is unavailable right now, so how you can also fix it. So mostly, first thing, just try to close your Instagram app and just open it again. After, you just need to check your internet connection, so just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. If you use Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after, you can try to open SAR data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after, you can try to restore phone, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power phone again. So just simple restore phone. And the latest option you can try to update your phone. So just sorry, to update your app, so just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write Instagram, and if you see update button, just tap on it and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram app. So just write in the search Instagram. So if you will see here update, just tap on it and wait. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to our channel, and goodbye.